In my home, the joy runs wild. Puppy eyes, soft as a child. Every tail wax spins a song. They've been my rhythm all along. I'm an African lady, my heart beats strong. Living with my puppies where I belong. Every paw print whispers a story so true. My dogs are my family, my crew. Morning sun, we chase and play. Paws on the ground, hearts on display. Every bark a call to dance. Life's better with a wagon chain, so they don't talk.